This Prelude car. Chrysler Airflow, DeSoto, and Charleston Tree Toyota. Right here, John Wesley's Toyota. Check out that Challenger. Firebird. 33 Plymouth. Got 51 Ford Hot Rod. Take a look at that Impala. Check out that Jeep pickup. Check out that Thunderbird. Check out that red Jeep. (1936) Ford two-door sedan, white walls. You have a good Jeep.
Thank you.
Got Mustang. White walls.
Oh, God.
Sorry. Sorry.
You scared me.
Sorry I scared you.
Was it good?
Look at this old 41 Chevy. You have a great car. Look at this old Ford two-door sedan. Got air conditioning. Actually got air conditioning. We've got heated seats. Look at that straight 8 Dynaflow car, and look at that Camaro. 37 Chevy pickup. Look at that old Mustang. Pretty sweet. And Ford Falcon. Pontiac Trans Am. Look at this. Look at that old Focus and in-memory car. It's a Ford.
No, it's been out. Yeah. Okay. And I told him just do it stop. No, Mom blew it up in 1989.
Another Mustang. There's a fastback Mustang and Barracuda, Plymouth. Hi. Look at this awesome Corvette. That thing is slick. Right-hand drive Morris Minor. Look at those motorcycles. Got the green microcar. 68 Chevy pickup. Electronic transmission. We've got transmission controller. Yeah. Chevy Nova Super Sport. Look at that Chevelle. Look at this old Mustang. That old Camaro and Avanti Miss Ruby, the Studebaker. Mercury Cougar. That Ford pickup from Lolita, Buzzard Welding.
You know what? There's that.
That old Cougar, look at this. Starliner. Ford Galaxy Starliner. This old Thunderbird. Slick car. The Cadillac. Volkswagen VW Hippie Bus and S2000 with a VTEC, yeah. Viper V10. GTSR. That high railer car.
All right, let's do this.
That's Brent's Nova.
This guy knows them all.
With a jail audio system and 240Z car and Chevy Bel Air. This little Ford Coupe. Another Bel Air and another 240Z and Carmen Ghia. Look at that Mustang. Look at this old Corvette. 2007 Corvette 7-liter. Look at that old Corvette, a Stingray. Going. Good, James, how you doing? Yeah. Look at this old car.
Wow, it's like a hearse, isn't it?
It is like a hearse and Mustang convertible. That'll 944. 37 Chevy. What a unique car. With a straight six. 2 Chevy Corvettes. The Stingray cars. Check out the red T-Bucket. That Ford dump truck. It's a Cadillac. '31 Ford hot rod.
Oh, there's a Volkswagen. I hate them so much.
Volkswagen car and got a sound system in here.
I like this one. This one's my favorite.
That's your favorite.
This is my favorite right here. I love
Camaro Z28. Mustang that entered for the show.
What up, Parker?
What up, Phil?
How you doing, buddy?
Good.
Good to see you. Checking them all out, huh?
Yeah.
And then I was no longer allowed to drive it. Because I roasted.
Look at this old Chevy.
Definitely not all new like that.
Ford Falcon station wagon. 392 Jeep. Look at that Jeep CJ.
Oh, did you already beat him?
I didn't get a shot.
Oh, he beat you? What do you mean you didn't get shot?
What a great race car you have there. Race car. Race car. Check out that Volkswagen Vanagon Turbo. Ford Ranger Roush and that 55 Bel Air. Look at that Mercury right there and that Jeepster. That Ford pickup. Check out that Impala. How you guys doing?
Good. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Look at that Bel Air. Two kicker subs. Check out that Deuce Roadster. Got a Deuce Roadster. And that mid-engine Corvette supercar.